How to identify this bird from Pennsylvania during May. With the pale eyebrow and the brown streaking, this is one of the water thrushes. And if we notice, the head and bill are relatively small, giving this bird a pretty balanced feel. And the eyebrow is not pure white, it has a little bit of a yellowish cast to it. And if we compare it to the color of the rear flank, we can see that these colors are pretty similar to each other. And also the throat has a little bit of fine streaking in it. And all of those things support this being a northern water thrush.